The City of North Bay and the Department of National Defence are extending their agreement to treat and remove forever chemicals. More on this story from CTV's Eric Taschner.
It's a two-pronged approach to treat forever chemicals, PFAS, while also protecting the North Bay drinking water supply.
We would love to be able to eliminate. However, right now we're at the stage of mitigating.
The airport is where firefighter training from the mid-1970s until the late 1990s took place. The substances seeped into the soil. The airport is near Lees Creek, which connects to Trout Lake, where the city draws its municipal water.
Over the past 9 years, more than 160 wells have been sampled. Testing showed that there's 25 private wells that exceeded provincial guidelines.
The current level of PFAS in the municipal water supply remains lower than the interim guidance level provided by the province of 70 nanograms per litre. However, it is above Health Canada's final objective of 30 nanograms of PFAS per litre. 4 years ago, the City and Department of National Defence agreed on a $20 million mission to remove and treat PFAS, with DND covering 97% of the cost. Remediation work began at the airport in fall 2024. 26,000 tons of contaminated soil was removed and disposed of from the so-called PFAS hotspot. The City and DND have now agreed to extend the airport soil removal and cleanup until 2037.
We move together and we work together to make sure that everybody's drinking water is safe.
The cost is now pegged at a whopping $122 million, with the federal government still responsible for the 97% share. The city's portion is around $4 million.
We can work towards areas that do have PFAS impacts in the soil, however, not at the same concentration, as well as focusing now on surface water and groundwater.
$8 million was also approved so the city can conduct a 6-month pilot project at the water treatment plant to find an effective way to treat the PFAS.
Then we can move to an efficient and effective design for an upgrade.
A long-standing drinking water advisory for Lees Creek remains in place. There's also an advisory for eating fish from the creek. Eric Taschner, CTV News, North Bay.